show you so many action verbs. And I am Leo. Watch carefully. Copy us if you can. Let's move together. Let's go. I am walking. I am running. I am jumping. I am skipping. I am sliding. I am kicking a ball. I am crawling. I am catching a butterfly. I am swimming in the pool. I am swinging. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am writing in the notebook. I am drawing. I am pointing. I am waving my hand. I am blowing bubbles. I am spinning. I am crossing the stream. I am flying a kite.
I am mixing.
I am climbing the stairs. I am playing. I am holding hands.
I am wrapping a gift.
I am clapping.
I am knitting.
I am looking.
I am cooking food.
I am reading a book.
I am driving a car.
I am cleaning.
I am painting.
I am shopping.
I am fishing.
I am combing my hair.
I am sitting on the chair.
I am pouring juice into glasses. I am opening a gift.
I am eating cake.
I am enjoying.
I am jogging.
I am talking.
I am going to school. I am coming into the house. I'm cutting. I am sleeping. I am waking up in the morning. Wala la, wala lo. I am singing.
I am sneezing.
Met Kapenins and Orimet.
I'm listening to stories. I am happy. I am squeezing. I am collecting toys. I am sharing. I am caring. I am thinking. I am sad. I am pushing. I am hungry. I am sick. I am healthy. I am throwing. I am helping. I am counting.
I am drinking water.
I am watching TV.
I am planting.
I am rocking.
I am eating noodles. I am drinking milk. I am holding a rope. I am touching flowers. I am sewing. I am cycling. I am smiling. Practice action verbs every day. Say them loud and clear. Keep moving. Keep learning. Bye, friends. See you next time.